guys, and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Leilani's Love, and today I'm reviewing this wig. It's the Zara wig from the Janet Collection. It is a synthetic lace wig. So just sit back and watch me install. The part is the only thing that's lace, so you can't do much plucking. It's literally like a 10-minute install, because all you have to do is put the glue on, let it dry, and the hairstyle and everything is already set. So I'm just cleaning my hairline here. I will be using glue from Esha Absolute. It's waterproof. I really like this glue because it dried like in 5 seconds, and I only use 2 layers, and my wig is down pretty good, and it does seem to be waterproof. I just have to say, like, I love the curl pattern of this hair, and it was so easy to install. This is my first time ever installing a synthetic wig with adhesive, but it was so easy, and I just love that the curl pattern just like so closely matches my own natural texture. It kind of reminds me of like braiding hair, so it's not, I wouldn't say it's really soft, but the curl pattern is like so beautiful. I would definitely buy this wig. If I could find this texture in human hair, I would definitely buy it. Like, I've never had hair that like was this close to my own texture. If you're someone that doesn't like spending a lot of money on wigs, or if you want something that matches your texture, I would definitely recommend this wig. It's very cost effective and it's bomb. So today I'm not really doing like a makeup tutorial. It's more or less like a get ready with me along with the review. But I just wanted to really get on here and just give you guys some love, show some love, because I know we all going through hard times right now, and it's so easy to get depressed, especially if you're watching the news every day. I would definitely recommend like limiting yourself on the news. Maybe give yourself like 15-20 minutes a day of news every day, and then call it a wrap. Make sure y'all, stay prayed up, stay positive, stay optimistic. It's not always so easy. If you could find some friends to talk to or family members, you could also send me a DM if you're going through a hard time. Like, I don't mind sending you a message to uplift you. Yeah, but just find ways to make yourself feel better. I know one thing that makes me feel better is doing my hair, my makeup, my nails. It just helps to uplift my spirit. So if you guys want to follow along on a makeup video, feel free. I do have other makeup videos if you guys want to follow along with those as well. But yeah, just find something to occupy your time so your mind is not like just on all the chaos all the time. Another thing that helps me is meditation. Yoga is also good. Just something to like give yourself some mental clarity. You can also exercise. I know some people don't want to go to the park. You can exercise at home. Like, it's mad videos on YouTube you can watch and follow along. But just find something to like take your mind out of a negative space. Another one of my concerns is like the mental health of my son. I know a lot of you guys may have kids, and it's hard for some kids that aren't used to homeschooling and that are used to being in a social environment with other kids. So one thing I could advise about that is maybe set up play dates with other family members that have children, or if you have friends that have children, set up play dates so they can have time to socialize, because like doing online socializing is not the same as in-person human interaction, and I think that's kind of important to children, during their early stages of development. But yeah. Alrighty, back to the makeup. I know I haven't said much about the items that I'm using, but this liner here is from Mr. Eyeliner. This is one of my favorite liners. It's very easy to use. You can get that. I'll put the link for that down below. And this is also one of the liners that he gave me. Easy to use. You can use them everywhere. I also want to give a shout out to the Janet Collection for this Zara wig. As I stated previously, it is a synthetic wig. It says that it's a lace front wig, but what it really means is that like the hairline has a lace on it. There is no parting space. Only the hairline and the part actually has a lace on it. So you can't really change the parting, and you can't really customize it too much because the lace is right in front of the tracks. Hi guys, okay, so this is the final look. If you're feeling it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, you know what I mean? Give me a little like or whatever. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Love Squad, so you can be notified whenever I drop some new heat. If you try out this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Leilani's_love or Leilani's.love. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. And I know we're in hard times right now, but you know, just try to stay as optimistic as possible. Make sure you stay prayed up and try to stay as safe as possible. Try to stay as safe as possible right now. I know it's not so easy to do all of this stuff, but you know, just try your best, and you can only control what you can control in your situation. So just want to spread a little love during these hard times, and you know, until next time, peace and love.